HADLER was established in '86, and since then we were a partner of the lighting industry, producing lighting electronics mostly for fluorescent lamps. We have now finalized the switch over to LED completely, and we are now trying to convince more customers from the Luxtronic idea. Additionally, we are building a new production plant which offers several new possibilities for us. Our organic growth and the financial stability that we offer makes us able to be a stable supplier for our customers in the future as well. Made in Germany for us means that all processes are here in Felsberg, in the middle of Germany, from the beginning in the development department via production down to logistics. This means short lead times and always a competent partner to speak with. Customers have a direct contact in our development department, so they're getting some help and support in case their luminaire construction is getting tricky. That means as well competent support in case of any kind of complaints.